Sir, my name is Qadar Moideen. The complaint is written in the Bairadi. My layout, my site is there. At the time of Corona, somebody means his brother-in-law came and made the problem, and he closed my access, and he put the matti at there, and to close the road also. And I give 3 police complaints there. And Verno, your name, Nimatra Bandidi, Nimanatra, for 3 years back. ಈಗ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪದಿ ಹೊರವರೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆ ರೋಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅದು ಬೈರದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರನೇ ನಾನು ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಸೇರಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ಸರಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ದಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ CPM ಪಾರ್ಟಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ದಿ ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ SFI.
ಓಕೆ, you tell what is ಏನಾಗಿದೆ.
This is my site.
I know.
He closed my access.
Whom?
His brother-in-law.
Okay.
Venu. And he put some JCB and tractor and some others and one shed also. And he closed the road. And the sewerage bodies also he closed. And he's coming. I gave 3 police complaints in the Hennur police station. Then every time if somebody is coming, he is coming and shouting there. So illegally he taken the connection of the electricity also. I paid 60,000 paid, and I put the compound. At the time of Corona, I was in the village. That time he came and captured my site. So with the Gaurama, I gone there and I met him also. Then after that also, now I am a patient, so I am taking medicine. That is the affection of my medicine. Every time, if somebody, my son is going, his brother-in-law is coming, and he is shouting there.
ಈಗ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ
I went to his house.
ಬಸವರಾಜ್,
I with
ಏನೋ ಅವ್ನು ನೋವಾಗಿದೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಎದುರುಗಡೆನೆ ಬಂದು ಯಾರೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅವ್ರೇನ ಬಿಡಿ, ಅದಾಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಗೆ BBMP ಇಂದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. If it is a law, they will protect you. Okay, ready.
Can I go?
Okay.
ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ನಿರ್ಭೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರವಾಗಿ.